What's going on, my beautiful people? We're out here in Fort Lauderdale doing an inspection on one of the properties we have under contract. I'm going to give you a quick tour so you can take a look at it, comment, let me know what you think. So we're in Fort Lauderdale. I'll just give you a view of the street. Street is nicely maintained, some nice houses. There's smaller houses here in this part of Fort Lauderdale. This is Southwest Fort Lauderdale. The property that we're under contract is a corner unit. It is a small home, but you'll see why we put it under contract and why we're interested in the property. Right now, I have my inspector, Matt. He's up there looking at the roof. But let's go inside. Main entrance is a very small unit. I believe the total square footage inside is about 800 square feet, maybe 850. Living area here, kitchen. There is a room here that looks like it's currently being used as a bedroom, but it's extremely tiny. Then you have this bedroom. With a decent walk-in closet. Bathroom. Excuse my finger. Nice bathroom. Let's go outside. Take a look at the back. So it's on a big lot. So this is the backyard. It's got a nice deck, as you can see. Plenty of space to create a very nice outdoor, usable, more functional space than it currently is. But it's so again, it's a small unit. It's a very small unit, but as a short-term rental property, I don't think it's bad. I think it's very usable. I think it'll attract a nice couple or two couples to come and enjoy South Florida. Tell me what you think. All right, guys, inspection is almost done. Let me show you what the inspector found. And a key point here is you have to spend some money on a good quality inspector if you're going to buy real estate. I mean, you want to make sure that there's no issues, especially with illegal or stuff that isn't permitted, because it'll come back and bite you in the butt later on and it'll hurt your investment. So let's just go inside and show you a couple of issues. Number one, if you see the garage, not really a major issue, but the garage, there's no entrance, like there's no door to get into the garage. It's just the garage door. So when you come inside, as we mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's a small unit, but there's a couple of things that I didn't even pick up originally, but the inspector definitely did. And what's wrong with that picture? If you don't know, that dishwasher should not be above the sink. There's supposed to be a P-trap there. And the second thing we noticed, that I don't know how this house got away with it, but there's no door to the outside of the front door. Like there's no exits. It's just that front door.
That's a code violation.
Which is a code violation.
Look here.
Then this is the back.
It's wide open.
Which is wide open here. Again, it's sad because it is a nice unit, but there's too many issues. Matt, what was the other code violations? It was that, the dishwasher, Oh, the roof had some, what was the thing? It was just painted, it wasn't,
Oh yeah. No, I did say something.
yeah.
You got the drain.
Got the drain on that.
I'll think of it.
But anyways, it's like I said, nice unit, nice property. As you see from the video, everything looks good on the outside, but this is why you have to do detailed inspections to make sure that everything's kosher, everything's good with the property. We're gonna go back and discuss it with the sellers, see if there's anything that can be done to salvage this deal. But as of right now, we're probably not gonna be moving forward unless we get a huge discount and then we can take care of all these code violations with the property. Love you guys. Any questions, you guys? If you guys have any questions or comments, please list them below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.